CriticalAsset allows team leaders to assign responsibility for specific assets. Using the CriticalAsset mobile app, managers can assign responsibility quickly and easily in the field. Use the magnifying glass to search for the asset you will be working with. Today we are working with electrical panel NR03. Tap the arrow in line with contact to see who is currently receiving notifications for this asset. To add users to this asset, click the three dots next to the arrow and then tap Edit Asset Contact. Click the drop-down box and select the user responsible, then click the blue checkmark dot. Press Save. That team member will now receive notifications for asset NR03.